What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Appreciate you checking out our page. If you like classic cars, want to see me go out and chase classic cars, and as we sell them, please hit the subscribe button, guys. If you grew up around these cars and you like what we do, subscribe. Majority of our clients that follow us are not subscribed, so if you want to see more of our content, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you're already subscribed, leave me a comment that you're subscribed. I appreciate you checking out our page. Let's get into the video. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. Got another warehouse walk for you today, a lot walk, October 2024. We got some good cars, guys. We got a couple fastbacks Mustangs, a couple of these Shelbys over here, factory 5, Chevy Impala, big block, 269 Mustang fastbacks back there, a couple Mustang coupes, some Chevys in the corner, and a little MG in the back. Nice Camaro here. Also at the end, we're gonna get to this puppy. This is a Z2869 with the DZ302, all numbers matching. We're doing a little bit of work to that. And then we'll head next door, and also I got one more car there. So we have over 20 in stock. Guys, every single car you see here today will have its own walkthrough on our channel. So hit the subscribe button right now. This way you can see the car in depth and you can see a full review. I'm not gonna pop hoods today. I'm not gonna get into every specific thing. I'm gonna give you a general overview of what we have today. You can go ahead and subscribe and see all of our full inventory at bobevansclassics.com. And you can follow us on social media at Bob Evans Classics. So subscribe today, guys, please, and you'll get updated as we get new cars, not only as we sell them, but as I chase classic cars, because I am the classic car buyer. I'm traveling all over the US buying them, so you get to see those videos too. All right, guys, we got two factory 5 Cobras we bought off of two clients. One's a 302. This one's a 302. It's got the HID LED lights upgraded up front. It's got nice wheels on it. Nice driver car. Everything works the way it should. Got this one listed for $39.99. Okay? And then we have a more aggressive one. This one's built up. It's got a stroker 302 in it. Got a lot of work mechanically. Redone suspension on it. This thing, I have a list about a page long of everything that was done to this. Suspension, engine, transmission. Everything's been upgraded. This one's $45,000. This one's $39.99. This one's a little bit more standard. This one, in my opinion, I like the dark paint job on it. That's a little bit lighter. I think this one looks a little bit better, but this one drives better. So that's kind of where we're at with prices on those. Then we got this Mustang here, 65. It's made to look like a GT. It's not a GT. It's got a 289, power steering, power brakes, pony interior, air condition. It's got nice wheels on it, American racing wheels. Interior's nice. Car shows very well. Got this one listed for $50K. $50,000 on this one. Then we're off to the 67. I don't know if you guys saw the video, but this was a one-owner car. I have all the documents since new on this car. Lady passed away. She drove it up until her death. Till the day she died, she drove this car. This one's $25,000. 289, non-power steering, non-power brakes, just a basic 289 Mustang. And we got the S code here, 4-speed manual steering. This is a S code, which is a 390 big block. It's got factory bench seat, vinyl top. Got this one listed for $32,500. We'll squeeze in here. We got this Chevelle 67 4-speed. It's got Krager's. Original 6-cylinder car, but it's clean. There's a full walkthrough on all these cars here, guys. This one, YouTube special. I think I have it listed on my website for $30,000. We're gonna do a YouTube special today, $27,500. If you're interested, $27,500. 64 Malibu Chevelle True SS. Rally wheels, automatic. Looks like a 350 under the hood. Non-numbers matching. Got this one, again, special we'll do on this, $30K on the website. Give us $27,500, and that buys it. This whole row right here, these 4 cars we're going to do specials on. We got Chevy Malibu here, another SS. It's got a 327 under the hood. Real nice interior. Driver quality paint, but the interior is immaculate. Got this one listed for 30 grand. I'll do 27.5 as well on this one. Power steering car, drives good. Got a cheapy Mustang here, 67, non-power steering. It needs some trim pieces. Got a cheap paint job on it. It runs or drives. Got new tires on it. 13.5 buys this. It's kind of like a project, but it does run and drive. We got, I'm sorry, I think I said an MGB earlier. This is a TR6. Beautiful car. It's got 60,000 miles on it. Well maintained. Clean inside, clean outside. This one's 25 grand. It's a nice, nice, nice car. Moving on, 67 Chevelle with a 427. Real nice interior. It's actually a 5-speed. They put a 5-speed in it. It's non-matching numbers, 427. I do have a pending deal on it, but I'll be honest with you guys, I got him approved, and I am still waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for him to come up with his down payment. I don't know if the deal is going to happen. I got it listed for $39,999. I've had 40 calls on this car, and I put off everybody to sell it to this guy, and he's not coming through, so I will relist this one. Call and ask about it to see if it's available. 68 Camaro with an LS in it, resto mod, 6-speed manual. Upgraded suspension. This thing is fast, loud, drives like a newer car. 45,000 buys this. 45 grand. Moving on, 64 Impala. Guys, this is a true SS. This is a 409 big block. Driver quality paint, but it's the real deal. I don't believe it's numbers matching. Got this one for $39,999. Big block. Impala 64. 68 Mustang with the vinyl top, completely restored. You guys saw me buy this from the lady that got a divorce. Her husband redid this whole car. They divorced and sold it to us. Got this one listed for 25 grand. Automatic, 289. Runs and drives perfect. Doesn't need anything. Everything works the way it should. Ready to go. 80 Malibu. Dash is cracked. The paint is not the best up on top, but it runs and drives. There's not really any rust on it. Back here is faded. Got this one for $9,999. 10K buys it. Nice G body here. Needs a little TLC. 10K or best offer. Moving on to 71 Cyclone. This is one of 400 made, air conditioned, one owner car, all documented. Got the Marty on it. Power steering, 351, runs and drives excellent. No rust, stood its life in Georgia, 27.5 on this one. 27.5. It's a clean car. Okay, then we got, I believe 71 or 72, I have to look on my sheet. Plymouth Fury, I'm gonna say a 72. 72 Plymouth Fury, 4-door. It's got a 318 under the hood. This is a two owner car, but documented, original paint. AC works. It's in good condition. You got a little ding right here, but that's about it. Let this one go for $12,500 or best offer. Another beautiful car here, 69 Mach 1, 351 automatic. Mostly original car, clean. I was told it's never seen rain. I believe it's been painted once. I have to go through the car. I have not made my full walkthrough yet on it. But the car is in too good of condition to be original. I don't know. I got to check it all. I bought the car. Then I have another heavy hitter back here, 69 Mustang. This one's a fastback, just like the other one, except this is a resto mod. It's got a 5.0 in it. It's got a T5 transmission, power steering. I mean, every panel's been replaced on this car, except for the roof. Undercarriage is new. Paint is from a 2018 Ford color. I mean, this thing has all the bells and whistles. This one is 70 G's. Complete resto mod, completely restored. John Wick type car. All right, guys, moving on. Finalizing this video. We got two cars. 69 Z28 DZ302 original car. Engine and transmission. It's been painted before. We're doing a couple little things to it. Doing some paint correction on it. Couple little spots that need to be done. Once the paint correction takes place, it will be listed. I don't have a price on this one yet, but if you're interested, give me a call, 215-801-9493, and I'll work out the details with you. When it becomes available, you'll have a chance to buy this car. And also, we'll head over to John Miller's shop, and we'll go take a look at a Mustang I got there to finalize our video. All right, guys, last car. 66 Mustang convertible. This thing is the cream of the crop, all done. Putting some finishing touches on it, installing an aftermarket Bluetooth radio. This is an award-winning car, got a bunch of awards. It's been totally restored in the 90s. Thing is clean, beautiful pony interior, power steering, power brakes, just a real phenomenal car. 45 on this one. Guys, I will talk to you later. Appreciate you checking out our page. Hit the like button, subscribe. We'll see you later.